QVC birthday mugs. Now, as you take a look at some of the mugs down on the table here, right here in front of me, you're going to notice something right away. On one side of the mug is the original QVC logo with the phone on top and QVC network. That was the original logo of QVC. On the reverse side of the mug, and I'll just show you on this one right beside it, is the present day logo. So you're getting a little nod to yesteryear and a little nod to current day, and you're getting both of these 16-ounce mugs for only $14.14. What? Yeah, that is a crazy good price. What you should also be aware of is that this price will go away at end of day today. That's why everyone should be on the line for this right away, not missing out on this opportunity. It's our only order of the year, and if we sell out of any of these colors, you won't see it back ever. This will become something that you'll be very proud to collect if you are a longtime QVC watcher or now a new fan of the program. Now, what we want to do is take you shopping for colors, and we're going to begin here. You get a set of 2 in the slate blue, 1,400 available there. This is buttercream. That one is hard to say. I don't know that. Do we have a white and a buttercream? Oh, I beg your pardon. Buttercream's right up here, isn't it? This is buttercream. Yeah. Okay, so come up here. This is the buttercream. 1,400 of the buttercream. Now let's go back down to the slate. 1,400. Then the white. 2,400. Then the lavender. Most popular is the lavender. Then I've got it for you in the gray. 2,500, then the red, 2,800, and then finally the taupe. 3,200 available. These are stoneware made by Temp-tations, so they go into the oven up to 500 degrees. They go into your microwave. They go into your refrigerator, your freezer, top rack of your dishwasher. Wherever Temp-tations is going, so is this mug, and you're going to love how it becomes a regular part of your day with 16 generous ounces of whatever you're drinking and or eating, because I use mugs many times to serve soup in. So this is going to be something really, really important. Now, only order of 2021, and you get a set of 2 for $14.14. We are very, very busy on our phone lines. 600 of these are already out the door. Lots of you are pre-ordering the cookbook as well as the mugs. Let me encourage you to utilize QVC.com in your mobile app, the best way to get through right now. Let's welcome in Lisa Lasorte, who's going to take us on a tour, a 35-year tour of QVC history. Lisa, what's up with the wild glasses?
Well, happy birthday, QVC. I mean, it's a big celebration over here, David. And by the way, congratulations on the cookbook. I ordered mine this morning and made one of your recipes here. The tachos, David, you know we love our Mexican, the Temp-tations team. This is fabulous, without a doubt. So congratulations.
Well, thank you so much. So I need to let you know that we've already taken 1,000 orders for these mugs, and QVC came to you and said, create something for birthday, and boy, did you.
Yeah, so the Temp-tations team collaborated with the QVC buying team to celebrate QVC's big birthday. So we just wanted to include some nostalgia, like you said, David, with that original logo on one side, and then on the other side, the current logo. And what we love about this is that no matter how you look at this mug, it just makes you smile, and how fun it is to add a piece of QVC memories into your kitchen. But David, this is still our stoneware. So if you want to make French onion soup in here, perfect. Goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. Want to put it in the microwave to reheat your warm drinks? Perfect. Thinking ice cream sundaes? Well, this goes in the refrigerator and freezer, and then you just clean it up in the dishwasher. But David, what I think is so much fun are these brand new colors and that addition of the old world and the floral lace all embossed.
Well, Lisa, I can tell you now that 2,000 sets of mugs are gone in this presentation, and another 1,000 customers are on the phone lines. So everyone is looking to pick up their mugs. I would also remind you that you can bake in these beautifully. Remember, these go into the oven up to 500 degrees. Do a chicken pot pie in there. Do a French onion soup in there. Whatever you got going on. Now, up top here is buttercream. I have 900 in this buttercream. I wish those were filled with buttercream. And then down below, I've got it for you in slate. 1,100 in the slate. Beside that is the white. 2,200 remaining in the white. Then you're going to find it in lavender. Most popular, 1,500 remain in the lavender. Then I've got it for you in gray. 2,400 left there. The red, 2,400 left there. And then finally the taupe. 3,000 remaining. We've now taken orders for 2,500. There is no reorder on these. It's our only order of the year because obviously when QVC turns 36, we'll probably do something different for the 36th birthday. This is in honor of the 35th birthday. So on one side of the mug, you get the original logo with the phone on top and the QVC network logo. And then on the other side of the mug, you get our present day logo, which is a bit cleaner and just the Q. So this is really a testament to how far we've come in 35 years, how the company has changed, how our marketing efforts have evolved. Because remember, back in the early days, 35 years ago, we were not a global company. We were right here in Westchester, Pennsylvania, with barely 1 million viewers that first night we went on the air. And so now we're in all these different countries, and now we're global all around the world. And now we have also adopted our sister station, HSN, from Florida. So this has really shown, Lisa, in so many ways, how far the company has come.
Yeah, David, without a doubt. I mean, this is a piece of nostalgia, a collector's piece, because we will never make these again. That's what makes them so special. And to have these in your cupboard every morning and pull them out, you know, mugs are a part of our everyday life. They're how we start our mornings, whether it's with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Then we go into lunchtime. Maybe we're putting our soups in there. And maybe at the end of the day, we're having a warm beverage, or maybe even like a frozen margarita that I made to go with your tachos. So mugs are something that we have. Why not have it something that when you look at it, it just makes you smile? It's pretty. And it's so easy to clean up, David, with the stoneware just being dishwasher safe and oven safe as well.
Okay, so we're back with really remarkable numbers to share with you. 4,000 sets of mugs are gone now. These are sale priced, only order of the year. Couldn't be more thrilled to have these for you today. And let me go through color choices for you yet again. Don't forget, up top here is the buttercream. In the buttercream, I have fewer than 400, and if we sell out of any color, it comes off the table. There will be no more of these made. This is a special collector's item for anyone who loves shopping QVC, particularly if you've been with us from the beginning. Beside that, I have slate, 900 left. Then the white, 2,000 remaining. Beside that, and most popular, is the lavender. Now fewer than 1,000 remain. Then I've got gray, 2,300. Then the red, 2,100, and finally the taupe, 2,800. We've now taken orders for 4,500. Now up here, I'm making some delicious beverage that looks awfully familiar. Might this be the Rosé Summer Spritzer from my cookbook? Yeah, I think that it is.
It is, David, absolutely. And by the way, I got to have a little taste of that. That is fabu as well.
And so a really fun idea there. We've also got soup here. This is gazpacho, I believe. Oh, these are my buffalo chicken tachos from my cookbook. Oh, very nice. I like that we've included some recipes from the book. And then, of course, you can bake inside these mugs. Don't forget you can do mug cakes. I actually have a recipe in the new book for snickerdoodle mug cake that you make in the microwave. Yeah. Ooh. It's worth the trip, worth the trip. Now, these mugs are all 16 ounces each. You get a pair, and they're only $14.14, and 5,000 have now been ordered. And buttercream, I'm told, has sold out, left the building. So that means buttercream will not be back because we're not making these again. This is something that is not being reordered. Lisa Lesort, what a pleasure to have you here. Nice to lead off our show with you today. Stick around. We're just 2 presentations away from a look at Half Homemade, Fully Delicious, and I'm thrilled to share it with you.
Oh, congratulations, David. That's so wonderful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Hey, can I tell you now that 12,000 cookbooks have been ordered since midnight last night? So we are incredibly busy on our phone lines. I know a lot of you are going to be excited to see what we have to show you today. 110 recipes, 13 chapters, and every recipe is 10 ingredients or less. I can't wait for you to see the goodies we have planned for you. Now, we also have GZ coming up in the show. Jeffrey Zakarian.